Hello and welcome, I'm Max Wolf and today we're heading over to the Bagshot breakfast meet. It is a bit early so we better get going. And as we're on our cruise it looks like we have an Escapade Silverstone Porsche there. And here we are pulling up to the Pine Ridge Golf Club.
And as Sean Boyer would say, we is here.
Morning. I see a Dan Graham. Is he going live? Yeah.
That's a double bed in the back, isn't it? Packard Mills, it's double bed, seats on it. Yeah.
You're alright. Oh, this is different.
Where did you get this?
It's a body kit on the console.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I can see it now. Oh, I'm liking that.
Yeah, me too.
Nice. Morning. He came in incognito. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's louder.
So this is an official FastX movie car. That's not a joke. Check them out. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Don't know if they have a Twitter, but TikTok and Instagram. And another one with the glowing lights. And an Instagram. Check them out. What a cool combo coming in. Whether it's rain or shine, the wolf is about. Catch you in a bit, mate. And something a little different to the rest of the video, we now have slip hazard of the car wash bling mini by the looks of it. It is in full bubble mode. It's a bit different, you gotta like it. It is even pink under the hood. I don't know what I expected, to be honest. So I've been out here for way over an hour now. It is raining still. I am soaking wet and freezing cold, so I'm now going to head into the clubhouse and, well, we won't be getting any food because you know what we normally do. We normally spend the next 25 hours in deep cut calf, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more and see you all soon.
I can't understand. It keeps going back on like marketplace and then place.
That isn't edited onto the screen, that is actually there in real life.
No, we'll be peddling now.
And it has now been raining all day. I'm soaking wet and freezing cold, but we're now going to go spend 25 hours in deep cut. So let's go.